Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the process of how you would create a widget and use widgets effectively in D2L. Widgets are really just a great way to customize your course based on the appearance or the type of content or even some interactive features that you might not know are available and that don't automatically populate on a home page, but that you, with just a few steps, can easily incorporate in your own classes. So this is a great activity to do for not just your online classes or hybrid classes, but the face-to-face classes as well, because we all tend to rely at least partially on D2L for our in-person classes as well. So the way that you access the widgets area in D2L is to go over here to Course Admin. And from there, you click on the widgets button here, and you'll see you've got two main options. You've got a home page and a widgets option. We're going to look first at the system widgets that are available, and you can see there are a number of customizable features that are already either included on your home page in D2L or that you can include yourself if you would like. Not all of these automatically populate in the D2L home page, like the Google search, for example, but with just a few clicks, you can embed a Google search bar right in your D2L homepage, which I think students might really appreciate. You can also design custom widgets as well, and this is where you would, if you wanted to customize your course with a custom banner, you could do that too. You can see I'm using an older section. It's definitely not the summer anymore, and I did not include a custom banner here, but we're going to use this as a dummy course to help us play around, and I'll show you how to create your own customized banner for D2L. It's pretty cool. So let's say we want to include a Google search bar in our D2L homepage. Well, what you'll do is click on homepage. And you can see I've already played around with this a little bit. Let me remove this. What you will see is this. Whenever you go into your home pages area, you'll see course default and copy of course default, but you'll notice you can't really edit them. So what you need to do first in order to edit them is create a copy. Your course default is what the D2L page looks like automatically without changing anything. Once you copy it, then you can click on it and fully customize it from here. You can change the name of this homepage. I'm going to call this homepage, if I can type, with Google search, just so that I can keep track of it in my list of home pages there. You can choose to have it either widget-based or tool-based or external URL-based. I'm going to stick with widget-based. And you can also change the layout here, so you can change the way that it looks. Right now, I've got the standard header right here with your calendar, your roll switch area, content browser. You can switch these around. So if I wanted to move my announcements over here, I could. If I wanted to put my calendar on this side of the screen, I could do that. Might throw some students off because most of us keep our announcements on the other side. If I wanted to make my content browser first and foremost, I could put that there and then have a section for announcements here. So let's say we want to add that Google search bar, and I want to add it here in the middle. I click on Add Widgets, and you've got the option to choose from System Widgets or Custom Widgets, which we haven't created those yet. I'm going to click on Google Search to include, and we'll scroll down to where it says Add, and boom, there you go. We'll do Save and Close. And if we want to make that our home page, in order for that to take effect, what we need to do is change our active home page to the home page with Google Search homepage that we just made. So we click apply there, and now if we go back out to our course home, you see I now have a Google search bar right there in the middle, just like we wanted. You can see my announcements have moved around, my content browser's over here now, the calendar's over here, and you see it really wasn't that difficult to get those set up. So there's all kinds of ways you can customize your class. Again, to get to it, you just go to Course Admin, click on Widgets, and you can play around with the system widgets there, and you can also, in the next video in this series, we'll talk about how to do a custom widget and include a custom header that you can use for branding your classes. Thanks for listening.